Here comes the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumper, thumper, bumper, bumper, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bound, bound, bound. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Ram, ram goes the loader. Pusher, pusher, smusher, smushers, smash, smash, smash.
Little E tries lifting up some junk, 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 but there goes little excavator over with a clunk.
Room goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, chunka, chunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E wants to lug all. Day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Rump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Where goes the tall crane rising to the sky? Swoosh, 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 high, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. There's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries and it's much too tight. But can it be done, little E? Fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you, here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go.